Hey guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel here. So guys, we have to learning about the Facebook ads. So any kind of business or any kind of YouTube will be promoting for how to generating for leads by using for Facebook ad campaign. So they're showing for sponsor ad. This all ad belongs to for they're showing for learn more option, contact us, a lot of futures are will be here. In this future, how you can generating for leads. So where you can checking for leads on your Facebook page option. In this purpose, if you go to your Facebook page, the option is called publishing tools. In the publishing tools, the option will be called lead form. The option will be called lead form. In this lead form, form library will be there. In the form library, what are the details you can create? Name, status, created, leads count, sharing, leads, and boost. This all will be showing to your particular page will be shown to the customers. They fill up the one form to generating leads that will be called for your customers to generating for lead purpose. So how will be creating ad? First of all, we can go to the Facebook manager option, create an ad. In this ad, the option will be called lead generation. In the lead generation, we can select here and click for continue. In this click for continue option. After that, we have to click for in this campaign structure and click for next. Here follow the option will be lead generation. Here will be every option will be there particular things here. Now click for next. In this, what are the practice you can do it and your page will be selected here. So here selecting page. Here we can accepting for viewer terms and condition. Here once accept, the terms and condition is must and should important. Each and every page you selecting here, the terms and condition will be compulsory select. Catalog, no need to. You can select your daily budget. Daily set your budget will be 800. Look higher for in this option. I'm given by the 500 hour daily budget. Or we can go for 150. When lead will be less than 10, but reach will be 1.3 to 3.7. So I want looking for leads 500. 7 to 22 leads will be getting from your business. Suppose you want to increase your leads, you can add for 1500. But here, for 1500, look here, you can go for lifetime budget. It will be 14,000. I'm adding for 1500. Is not accepted. So we have to daily budget will be here that we can adding by 500 onwards. You can start the daily budget. They will be 7 to 22 leads will be generating from through Facebook lead generation form. So depend on budget, the reach will be 4,300 to here. So now will be 12,000. The leads will be 7 to 22 leads will be here. I'm not give any end date. They will run continuously for particular ad. After that, particular location you can select. The location I'm targeting for right now is only for Hyderabad. So it will be showing for in this. The arrow will be compulsory. We can show for middle. We can up to we can target by 80 kilometers. We can target for 50 or 80. Anything will be accepted here. So the middle will be arrow will be here. The reach will be 4,900 to 14,000 reach will be here. The lead will be 7 to 20 leads. Just we can selecting for age people. I can target up to will be only I'm targeting for 46 up to age people. So all gender, all demographic interest, everything here. If anything will be changes, you can changes will be here. But I'm not changing any option. And here placement will be two things: automated placement and manual placement. You can check for manual placement. They will be showing for Facebook and Instagram only. The lead generation will be only showing for Facebook and Instagram. They can't showing for audience network and a messenger box. Here, feed, stories, in-stream, search, messages, in article, apps and sites. These are all option. So that is called, suppose if we go for automated option, so you can go for the Facebook, Instagram. Suppose I'm not interested in Instagram, go for manual option. If Instagram, they will select it for Both if you go for automatic option, that will be 5,000 to 15,000 people will be reach here. So depend on option. So lead, cost control, any control will be given by the each lead generation. So I'm not giving any specific budget here. So guys, what are the information we can give? The everything will be compulsory important here. So which one you can targeting for detailed age target? You can go for the target for extension will be here. Now, after click for next. The finally, they're showing for your lead generation form. The form will be here in this, the Instagram account. Select here, this same policy, single image or video. So here will be form will be there. You can add by particular form option. So here, adding for media in this file, here will be single image or video will be here. Select your image. You can go to upload here. Selecting uploading format. Where is the image will be here. You can selecting for options are there here. After that, you can go for the option will be called the image will be showing okay is a fine. They showing any apostrophe mark. The ad is not approved by your particular image format. So there is a complete size you can selecting for 1280 by 720 size you can selecting for the same for YouTube thumbnail size. No worry about that particular option. Now click here. So after that, just go for it. Here will be understand option will be I'm adding for title and description here. Wait for the few seconds. So I'm selecting content here. Just content is ready. Here description is selected here. Just is a verified everything. Here option will be here. Here is a display link will be in this option and call to action will be a particular. I'm give the subscribe option. Which option I'm give by subscribe. What the purpose of? I can promoting my YouTube channel. If you promote any website, you can promoting for website option will be here. The button will be here. Subscribe, apply now, book now, download, get more, get code, learn more, and sign up. We can give the learn more and sign up. But I'm give option will be subscribe. They will be called instant form or automated chart. I'm give by instant form here in this form. Create an instant form for the lead generation campaign. So form will be create here. So options are will be here. Name or everything will be here. Here I'm writing for in this. So I'm creating for form will be in your option. More value, interaction. Use the same email for ad. Headline will be can add by headlines. Including details here. You can writing for any questions will be here. Enter the questions. Here I'm writing for name and full name. Add your options. So I'm adding for email. So here, just name email. You can category will be here. The every information will be here. Street address, city, state, country, and everything is there. But I'm adding only for three information. That is a name, email, and a mobile number. Next will be privacy option. Here, add link and link text. So here, link text and completion. Here, thanks for your set. Thank you, visitor. You can give by. Thank you watching our videos. Our channel. View website. Here only give the website will be given. Here I'm give by website blog link. So deleted blog link I give by in your option. Previous I'm give by the YouTube link. Now I'm give the website link. Finally, click for publish it. Enter the message, contact form. Next, everything will be published. So anything will be missing on your form, the every detail will be adding for your publish option. Is the form will be ready in a particular. So where you can see the form will be in this publishing tools. The option will be selected for where? The publishing tool option. The option call is lead form library. It's called lead form library. Finally, everything will be set up. The ad will be shown to the variant. So you can check for here. So this all variation will be the particular ads. So they all will be checking for in this option will be given by the particular ads. So the ones will be review will be finished. You can add will be approved. So there will be Facebook feed, Facebook instant article, Facebook instant video. So there is not video I'm showing here. Marketing place. Here is the Facebook stories, Facebook search results, Instagram feed, Instagram stories. They're showing for subscriber channel option and Instagram explore option. This all future will be given by the particular ads. Finally, we have to click option will be called publish. The publish ad will be done. They going to review will be ad. Maybe certain hours will be taking time to activate your particular lead generation ads. So finally, the form will be shown to your particular lead generation form where it is called publishing tool option. In this form library, the ad will be created. You can generating leads in the form library option. See this here active, expire will be 0, restricted, anything and download your option. Sharing will be not possible. And we can download by what other details will be here. We can download by in this Excel sheet format. So these all will be lead will be generated based on the create ads. When it is approved, the ad will be started on your particular Facebook business page. So now it is a complete for review status. It is complete for review status. Right now is in draft. After publishing this content, it is going to review. After few hours, the ad will be published on the Facebook option and the lead will be generating for where publishing tools. In option call is leads ad form and the form library. You can check the each and every sheet by Excel sheet. You can download the sheet and use the particular ad option. So this is the follow the particular ads to be created on the leads generating purpose on your Facebook page to generating for business leads and generating for YouTube subscribers. So this is the format we can follow that to increase your ads on the leads by using for Facebook option is more useful by the YouTubers and the website users. The benefit is called people watching your YouTube and people watching for your website. Finally, the getting for traffic will be coming to YouTube and your particular website option. Follow these instructions and create the lead form and create your ads and increase your leads on the particular business, increase your views and subscribers on your particular YouTube channel option. So follow these instructions on the particular Facebook and generating for leads on the lead generation form. If any particular format is failure on your channel, definitely will be help on the particular comment box. Definitely will be support for the any further information on the Facebook ads to generating for lead purpose. Guys, if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe our channel.